What's poppin', beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, the name is Bree Yee. It's been probably a little bit over a month, but just know your girl needed a break from social media and just from editing and posting in general. So yeah, your girl needed a break, and not only that, I'm basically working on moving in silence. One, less opinions. You know, I have people watching my every move, so it's like I would rather just kind of like do my own thing and stay to myself. You know, take breaks and then, you know, come back with results. Another thing I want to point out, you know, everybody don't want to see you win, especially if they can't see the vision that you have, or not that I have, let me be specific, the vision that God has for me. So, you know, it's just best for me to just kind of move in silence and take breaks whenever, you know, needed. So yeah, your girl just been kind of working on herself and staying out of the media. All right, y'all, so I've been holding off with writing in my journal. I don't know why, but anyways, so every time I have a dream that's something like spiritual, I basically took note of all my dreams and put them in my phone, right? So I finally transferred all my dreams over to my journal this morning. It's pretty much time for a new journal. Like, this is how many pages I have left. Y'all know I love me some peanut butter, but it got blueberries, strawberries, bananas. The bananas and the blueberries on top, the strawberry is in the base. I forgot what they mix with the strawberry. I think it's like cashew milk. Some days later.
Huge reality check. Chris found out about his friend in an Avengers group chat saying, quote, "None of us really knew how serious it was. It's an immediate realization of, wow, any of us can go at any minute."
I love you, Jesus.
I'm like, thank God the movie is like 2 hours. But the movie started at 8:55. It is currently 8:35. That's Chick-fil-A. And this is the line, so it curves around, y'all. I'm just like, I planned to get here early, but then again, I didn't want to get here too early, just in case, you know, we make it to the movies too early and our food get cold. But now I'm like regretting it because it's like, yeah.
Few moments later. Ooh, my window's dirty, but basically we in line at the drive-ins. It's 9 o'clock. Well, it's 9:04, but you know, previews and all that. And it's a 2-hour movie, so we ain't tripping. But he talking about, can I get my food? Forget the movie. Talking about forget the movie. So this is what I got, y'all. I got the grilled chicken wrap with the avocado lime ranch. So it is fire. I got like 2 of the dressings, because y'all know I'm a sauce girl. And then I got the Cobb salad with no bacon. And for the dressing, I'm doing like a herb ranch. But I'm going to try the avocado lime too. For Kai Kai, he got his strawberry shake back there, some waffle fries, Chick-fil-A sauce, and chicken nuggets. What?
Y'all know me, y'all, yeah.
You got your Spidey gear on?
I be hooking it up, and you see.
Check you out, huh? Oh, and then at the last minute when I was at the window, I was like, can I try your chocolate chip cookies? So that's what's in this bag. 2 chocolate chip cookies. I'm gonna give you your food, baby. I'm gonna give it to you right now. But just trying to show y'all that while we in line, because as soon as we get to our movie, it's a wrap. Ain't no talking, huh?
Yeah!
All right, radio station 105.7. Oh, it's already on. I come to the movies too much. Ain't no way it was already on 105.7. All right, let's go find some parking.
Oh, great. Renaissance man. Ooh, let me guess. You were having an espresso.
Who is that Papa? Who is that? Or something.
Gwen.
Oh. Few moments later. Few hours later. I'm low-key juiced because I found a parking right across from the beach. It's my first time parking across from the beach. Because usually I park like somewhere in the parking lot or something. This was perfect. So I was gonna get a vegan bacon sandwich, but they didn't have no vegan bacon. So I just got a chicken burrito. I'm gonna try to tell y'all what I got, but it's super windy. So I got grilled chicken, rice, cheese, black beans, salsa, guacamole, veggies, and a little bit of sour cream. Few moments later. All right, y'all, I want to finish reading, but it is extremely windy out here. So I'm about to head home. It is too windy out here. Some days later. Later that evening. On our way to see Transformers. We already saw Elemental. Kai, come here. So we're gonna go see Transformers now. I think this is Cairo's first 3D movie, y'all. We're gonna go see Transformers in 3D. Woohoo! He's excited. You ready? That's why they was so expensive. It's 3D. You ready?
Remember this day. Look here. This is probably a lot for you, huh? Back up!
The next day.
Tell me I'm a star, baby, where would I be?
Some days later. Y'all, you know the meal is good when you got a running back. So what I did was I seasoned the salmon, of course, after cleaning it. You know, I cleaned it with some lemon and water. And then I did my seasoning, my butter, and added some lemon. I did season the other side of the salmon. I'm gonna let this pre-season for a little bit while I peel this corn. My baked potato is in the oven already. So yeah, it's about to go down. The next day. He fell on the ground. To move. Oh Lord. The next day.
I'm on the loop, I'm on the waves. Oh, stay out the way. Got another slide on me, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business call me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know I'm scared, I'm always not alone. But if you can keep it, ain't nobody.